Unreliable electricity, broken equipment, and political instability were constant adversaries, yet African scientists persevered with remarkable determination.
Headquartered in Nairobi, the UN Environmental Programme placed African scientists at the center of global climate research and environmental protection.
Agricultural self-sufficiency was critical. African scientists developed drought-resistant crops and sustainable farming methods suited to Africa's diverse soils.
Renewable energy was a cornerstone of Africa's scientific agenda. Scientists harnessed solar, wind, and hydropower to fuel a continent's development.
Biotechnology emerged as one of Africa's most promising scientific frontiers. Researchers worked to develop solutions built on Africa's own biodiversity.
Africa's post-independence scientific revolution was an act of liberation. Today's generation of African scientists built on those hard-won foundations to lead the world.
This lesson is part of the UNESCO General History of Africa Curriculum Library at ashaware.com, where Africa's story is told by Africa.